Magnitude 6.9 earthquake at depth 172 kilometers strikes northern Sumatra, Indonesia on the 15th of August, 2026. Earthquake subject to change. Due to its depth, the earthquake was felt across a broad region of Sumatra and parts of Malaysia, but early reports indicate no significant damage. Northern Sumatra sits along one of the world's most active tectonic boundaries, the Sunda megathrust, where the Indo-Australian plate subducts beneath the Eurasian plate. Earthquake Info Credit, USGS. Thank you for watching.